Hello guys, so today we are back with the Polo. So we are just going to do the replacement of the coolant expansion tank, which is right here. This is the new one. So long story short, mine when I'm driving or even when I turn on the ignition, the coolant warning light on the dash comes on and it just beeps 3 times, like beep beep beep, very loud, and then basically that's to warn me that my coolant level is low. But it actually isn't low, because as you guys can see, that is the level is in the maximum. So what normally happens is when this little sensor that goes in here, I can show you on the new one, right in there is a sensor in the tank, which you cannot just replace that sensor when it warns off, because this one is a very old, as you can see. It warns off and then it just doesn't work. So the level of the coolant doesn't read, basically. So it throws a error code on the dash. So yeah, now we're just going to replace this to avoid making a mess. Luckily on these cars the design is so good that under here on this side, there is a little tap that you can just open the coolant leaks from here, and I will drain enough fluid to empty the tank so there is less of a leak, let's say, like less of a mess, and then we can start undoing the tank. Coolant. We can probably recycle that one because it's very clean. Coolant tank is empty, so now we can start undoing all the little bits here. So I can just disconnect this one, that one there, and the one at the bottom, and then I just need to, I think there is 2 bolts under here, there and there, that I need to disconnect, and then just I'm not going to film it because it's very simple. So the old one is out already. Now I'm just fitting the new one. It's pretty much, it's very basic. You just connect the cables, the pipes, the coolant pipes there, this one here, and then you make sure that you just wiggle it in, and then put 2 10mm screws there, bolts, whatever, these ones, those ones there, and then just connect the cable, the connector, and then top up with coolant. So there it is, all connected. So now we just need to fill it up with the coolant. Now I'm just flushing the coolant to get rid of air bubbles. So I'll just let it idle with the heating on the minimum, no, on the maximum, and the fan on the minimum. So I took it for a test drive and it went down a little bit, but that's expected. So I'm just going to put more coolant in, and yeah, that'll be it, guys. Also, what the fuck? Well, what is this? 186. What does Jet think? So what does Jet think that can just raise the prices like that? Like, their fuel quality is not that good compared to BP, Shell, even Tesco's, probably even Sainsbury. And look at the prices, 186 per liter for diesel. Ha! Damn! I'm gonna become Flintstones. Yabba-dabba-doo. Anyway, that's it, guys. Job done. The light has gone off. I mean, it didn't come back anymore, so that's a good sign. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.